Kublai jubun fibro kijipetip nam ta kubor light kam hikai te kibadai haki government upper primary school ma jongka jong school sarkar te kane kare po West Jaintia Hill district kidon kuma khalai tali a post kibalai on behalf of the government of Meghalaya and in public interest application are invited for the post of assistant teacher government upper primary UP school falling under district school education officer West Jaintia Hill Jowai of Meghalaya as per the term and condition. The assistant teacher in arts kilat pratali artali namta UR drutali khasi Jaintia badgaru namta assistant teacher science and maths kidan artali kawai namta UR kawai namta khasi Jaintia badgaru bad namta ka assistant teacher Hindi kidan lightly kawai namta UR bad artali namta ki khasi Jaintia angaru. Te baro ki long khalai tali ki post ki bala japo West Jaintia Hill district namta ki post UP post mo te ki bala apply namta ki upper primary school teacher ki dibin long graduate with DLED lane graduate with BEd te namta ki SC ST gandai 45% are eligible to apply te dibin pass be ka MTED UP upper primary level compulsory kata ke age limit te hadulai punyo plus ber age relaxation long life news name te ya kiba pass MTED who arjar arfuwe hangnel ada mention clearly by kiba pass MTED arjar arfuwe nada kila cross ya life news sejrong ru kinang la ban apply ya kamenta ya ai kata one time age relaxation tilada pilatam ko ban apply pitang la ban apply so basic computer literacy will be an added preference. Dan last date namta kane kandai khasan trik November arjar apply te pihaban apply pihaban iki application gujong pihaban poi office of DSCO West Jaintia Hill district Jowai on or before 15 November 2023 fulfilling all the basic criteria as specified above. Hapan biang load ki dokumen gat kumbala mention sanang ki mompen biang on sya reject baik direct tangki ni kijing bitip ki bakwa ban apply sale ek bron kam namta kini post ki balaj khalai tali ki post tangki ni kijing bitip khule shubun.